Hello everyone, good afternoon friends. This video is to show you the computation of material variances from standard costing chapter, and I have taken this question from your previous examinations. It was given for 6 marks. Let us get into the question. The standard estimate for materials to manufacture 1000 units of a commodity is 400 kgs at rupees 2.50 per kg. The standard estimate for materials to manufacture 1000 units. To manufacture how much? To manufacture 1000 units. So 1000 units manufacture ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ this is the output manufactured. This is the output. So, to manufacture 1000 units of a commodity is 400 kgs. To manufacture 1000 units, how much input they are giving? 400 kgs. So, standard quantity that is 400 kgs of raw material for 1000 units of output. If 400 kgs of a particular raw material is put into a process of manufacturing, the output is 1000 units, and standard price is 2.50 per kg. 2.50 per kg. When 2000 units of a commodity are manufactured, that means they are talking about actual output. Actually they have manufactured how many units? 2000 units of a commodity are manufactured. It is found that 820 kgs of materials are consumed. So they manufactured 2000 units by using 820 kgs. That means actual quantity used by the company is 820 kgs, and the actual price per kg is 2.60 per kg. Now let us see, whenever you are working out a problem on variances, 4 things should be very important. One is actual price per unit or per kg, so it is there in the question. Then actual quantity, that's there, 820 kgs, that is also given. Then standard price is also there, 2.50. So 3 items are there, 1 to go. Standard quantity ಕೂಡ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್? 400 kgs ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ 1000 units. Standard quantity is given for manufacturing 1000 units, but actually what is the output? 2000 units. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ 2000 units ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Standard is there for manufacturing 1000 units, but when you are manufacturing 2000 units, what should be your standard? ಏನಿದೆ ಸರ್? 1000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 2000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟು 2 ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತಲ್ವಾ? ಡಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ 1000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ 400 kgs ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 2000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ 400 into 2, that is 800 kgs of standard quantity should be used. With this information, now proceed to calculate the various material variances. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ standard quantity, standard price, actual quantity, actual price ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. Standard quantity is given to produce 1000 units, standard materials 400 kgs. To produce 1000 units, we are supposed to use 400 kgs. But to produce 2000 units, standard materials should be 800 kgs. 800 kgs, that is 400 into 2. or 2000 by divided by 1000 into 400 ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you will get the same. So 1000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿ 1000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ 400 kgs ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದರೆ 2000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ದ ಡಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 400 into 2, 800 kgs. So we got standard quantity 800 kgs and the remaining things are directly given in the question. Standard price 2.50, actual quantity is given 820 kgs, then actual price is given 2.60, right? With all this information, proceed to the material cost variance. The formula is standard cost minus actual cost. Material cost variance ಗೆ ಏನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ standard cost minus actual cost. What is standard cost? Standard cost is the product of standard quantity into standard price. Standard quantity multiplied by standard price will give you standard cost. So standard quantity into standard price, that is 800 kgs into 2.5. 800 kgs is the standard quantity, 2.5 is the standard price. So 800 into 2.5. Then actual quantity into actual price, that is 820 into 2.60. 820 kgs into 2.60. So when you solve this, 800 into 2.5 will become 2000. 800 into 2.60 will become 2132. So 2000 minus 2132, you will be getting minus 132. When you are getting minus negative answer, that should be taken as adverse variance. 132 rupees adverse variance cost. Then proceed to material price variance. The formula is actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. See, in some places, in some textbooks over the net, you can see this AQ has been taken on the other side. So you need not worry about, both are same. AQ ee kade tagondru, bracket ge aa kade tagondru, multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, there is nothing to worry about that. So actual quantity into standard price minus actual price is the formula. Actual quantity as per the question 820 units into standard price ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 2.50 standard price per kg minus actual price per kg 2.60. So 2.50 minus 2.60, that will be minus 0.10. Minus 0.10 into 820, you should be getting minus 82. Minus 82, negative figure, again it can be treated as adverse variance. Then the next one, usage variance. The formula should be standard price into standard quantity minus actual quantity. Standard price is 2.50. Standard quantity 800 minus actual quantity 820. So 800 minus 820 should be minus 20. Minus 20 into 2.5, you will get minus 50. Again, this is also negative, that is adverse variance. So ಮೂರು ಕೂಡ adverse variance. Material cost variance is minus 132 adverse. Material price variance minus 82 adverse. Material usage variance minus 50 adverse. Now let's see the relationship and verification step. MCV equals to MPV plus MUV. Material cost variance is equals to material price variance plus material usage variance. So material cost variance as per the calculations is minus 132, that is adverse. Minus 132 is equals to price variance is also adverse, that is minus 82. Then plus usage variance tagobeku. Usage variance is also minus 50. So plus into minus, it will be minus only, minus 50. So that should be minus 132 equals to minus 82 minus 50. Both are minus, you should be adding. So that should be minus 132. On both the sides you have the same figure. So it is verified. The variances are correct. Minus 132 is equals to minus 132.